Hey girl,
Hi.
how are you? What do you want to say something for the Shakuri Hill? Where are you from? New York?
So good. No, I'm from
It's so good, really. Hey, look at her. Oh my God, we got a new hairstylist over here. Hey.
Hello.
New York or North Carolina?
New York.
What? Oh my God, yellow plate, yellow plate. Okay, me too, yellow plate. Wow, nice, nice, nice. What brings you over here?
Shagori for me is other world.
Other world, the whole different world. Peace, right?
Yeah.
Nothing like New York, right? Would you be on Manhattan or would you be on Shakuri Hill the most? What would you think?
Shagori.
Hell yeah, you see, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Me, no Times Square. Don't go to Times Square. Come to North Carolina. Hey.
Yeah, come here, everybody.
Woo. That's it. Anywhere away from Times Square. Period. Hey, woo. Anything away from New York. Let's go suburban, away from capitalism. There's Snoopy over here.
Watch that head, watch that head. Yes, sir. No!
Yo, man, let's go to Starbucks, man.
We will go to Starbucks. We will lose the good moment on festival.
What do you mean? So what? The Starbucks, right? Let's just get a Starbucks. I mean, every day. I don't do this. I don't wear this type of thing. What is this, And why are you shirtless? You look like a...
For tips, I don't.
For tips. He's doing it for tips. Shrooms. I love this design, man. A lot of this design, the spiritual design.
Applause for the stage crew, the sound crew, and all the volunteers that make this festival happen. Over on
Did I leave you all alone? Well, I lace my boots, I'm coming home. Red rums, red rums, red rums, red rums, red.
So the way, the basic look that's going to be important is to get comfortable without.
If we would not be tired no, it don't work that way. My one small contribution, maybe a step towards a bit. But for the make, they all gotta make this world a better. Thank you so much. We love you. These Sex Simple songs are off our album that came out of. This is the best day for a lot of reasons. We're here and we're about to play this song. This song is off our album, the title track of our album. You see, that album is called Birthday. And today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Florencia!
My man over here. Hey, what's up, man?
Favorite books. Can you believe he took her to the best dinner in town? I'll try not to get down. I